Ciao guys, Revood here. So of course, I'm not leaving you without something to do this weekend. And in this video, I want to show you Wolfenstein 3D in VR, how to install it and how to get in. It's just super cool. The one of the game who created a genre of FPS now is available in VR with room scale experience, free locomotion, motion controllers, so you can use your Vive controllers and of course your Vive headset. So let's get started. Let's switch the computer right now to see how to do it, and it's super easy. And then let's jump in the game a little to see at least the first level. Here we are on the computer, so everything is just one link away. We have to click on our browser and put this link in. I'm gonna leave it in the description below, so don't worry, just click there and you're gonna find it. And thanks of course to Further Beyond that made this port of the shareware release of Wolfenstein 3D. So this is the game. As you can see, we're gonna be able to have our weapons, but you're gonna see in the details later. It's supported the HTC Vive and soon the Oculus Rift and the Windows Mixed Reality headset. It will work with the other two, but it's not optimized for like the orientation of the guns and stuff. So we're gonna find out and try it on the HTC Vive for now. What you have to do is just download it. So click on this link and the download will start automatically. If it doesn't, CTRL and click on it. Here we go. So at that point, we click on save. It is a super small file. It's 385 megabytes, so it's gonna download pretty fast. Depends on your connection, of course. And pretty much, we're good to go. What you're gonna have to do then is to go on download, find our thing, Wolfenstein 3D VR, and here we have the exe. We can just put it on the start menu if we want, or in the desktop to have it there fast and ready, and then double click on it and let's get in the game, shall we? And here we are on Wolfenstein 3D. So, as you can see, the menu is pretty much the same, and on option there are a lot of options, the one we need. So, realistic weapon to change the view of the weapons. So, let's keep this, is more retro. Blood effect, of course, on. Pet the dogs, not really. Better to like just shoot them. Left-handed mode, so I can change with my left hand over here. Locomotion on the trackpad or teleport. And we can change the orientation also in the controller. This is a new update, and that's very useful because many people were getting sick with that. So let's go back and let's start a new game. I don't usually do, as you know, gameplays because I don't think I'm fun and because I prefer to just enjoy it on myself. But here we are. We have our stuff over here, the run teleport to show HOD. With the trackpad we can change the weapons, and we show the HOD with this. So it's exactly the old one but with the VR headset on. So let's go and let's start in the game. That looks exactly the same like it was. So everything will be in 2D in this 3D world. Look at this. Whoop. The same exact effect that we had. This one is 3D though, it's very nice. So that we can open everything like that. Health is 100%, so I'm not gonna get there. There's nothing there. And this one reminds me a lot the Easter egg on the new Wolfenstein, where you can play in 3D in the middle of the game, and that's very nice. Also, I have to say that all the Easter eggs, all the secrets there were before, they're still in here. So if I remember right, it's gonna move exactly, and here we go with the what was this, MP5? Something like that. Anyway, let's get through the level fast. This is so easy. So we can also change and go back if we want. There's no snapping turn, this is the only thing that we miss. Let's get some money and gold. And here we go. I don't really know if we have okay, here we go. And let's get to the end of the level. Let's switch it. And here in the menu. And here we are in the level 2 with some everything looks exactly like you remember, and that's just amazing. But now let's go back to real life and let's crack up this video. And here we are, guys, so this is what I'm gonna do for sure this weekend, and I hope you're gonna do the same because it's better to grab it because it's free, and you know, you never know if stuff are gonna disappear. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, like; if you didn't like the video, dislike, subscribe to the channel for more about VR and tech in general. I see you guys in the next video. Ciao!